Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video. So recently I got contacted by a company, and this company asked if I'd be willing to make a video and a review about a product that they offered to give me to test out. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be looking at the floor mats that this company had sent out to me, and I'm standing in front of a 2017 Toyota Tacoma SR5, and it's a long box crew cab. It's got a 2.5 inch leveling kit up front, and it's kind of off topic, but just so you guys know what truck I have. We're going to be installing these floor mats, and we're going to be taking a look at the fitment, how well they fit, and at the product. So let's get started. I also want to make this very clear in the beginning of the video that I am not sponsored by this company, and this company didn't give me some special script or something to read, or they didn't tell me to say something positive about these floor mats. This is just 100% of what I think of these floor mats, and I mean, I can bash on their product if I wanted to, so this is completely truthful and honest as to what I think of this. Also, today's Russian word of the day is koshka. That is koshka. That stands for cat. It's actually the female version of cat. Koshka is like the female cat. Kot is the male cat. So there's your Russian word of the day. All right, so here is the package that I got, and this is the company that had sent off these floor mats to me, and I am not sure how you pronounce their company name. You guys can see it there. They're the ones that sent out this product over to me, and there's their website right there. It's just their company name.com. So let's open this package up and let's see what we have. All right, here they are. All right, so it looks like this is just instruction manual, which I don't know why you would really need. I never look at instruction manuals. New little clip, looks like it's just a replacement part for holding the liner. And here are the floor mats. So this one is for the passenger. This one's for the driver's side. Let's go take out the floor mats. So now these ones are actually the original floor mats that I got when I bought the truck. They got a little Tacoma emblem on them. They're a really soft material, which I actually kind of liked, to be honest. I kind of like them being soft. I feel like they're, I don't know. But yeah, they got, some texture down below. These little rivets that kind of hold the floor mat in place, or help hold it in place. Let's throw in these new mats here and let's see how they are. All right, so let's lock them into place, and there you have it. Dang, this is actually pretty sweet. I like the fitment here on the sides, how it kind of curls up and it gives a little protection here on the plastic, and it also kind of overlaps on the plastic sill here. When you're getting in and out, you're not going to be, maybe less scratches on that thing. I like the lip. The overall indent that they have on the outside. I just feel like it's going to hold the, whatever is in there, all the crap, better. Man, that looks like this truck just looks so much newer now. That looks so good. I love that. As far as the material, it's a really nice type of rubber. It's pretty firm. It's not super flexible. It feels good. It really does feel good. It doesn't feel, cheap or anything of that sort. So I really like that. That's good fitment. Really nice fitment. It's cut out really well. It looks beautiful. Awesome. Good little refresh. Because these floor mats here, I've had these for a while now, and 92,000 miles later, this is how they are. And I have cleaned these. I've cleaned these a lot, actually. Pressure washing them and so on, but still, you live out in a muddy area, that's what's gonna happen. So let's go out to the passenger side here. And let's put these ones in. I'm actually kind of happy and excited that I got these new floor mats, because I was thinking about buying new ones, just because, you know, like I said, this is 93,000 miles later and they're kind of faded and outdated and kind of gross and yucky. Man, that is nice. That is freaking beautiful. That is cool. I like that. Holds it in place really nice. Actually, I'm surprised. Dang. And you know what it is? What really holds it in place is just because it's so beveled out. It's so indented, and it's really fitted, formatted, really nice. Very cool. I'm very happy with that. That fits really nice. The thing I like better with these formats than I do with the original ones that I had, and is that you can see just with how soft this rubber is, it doesn't really hold it in place. I mean, there's, you know, yes, it does indent out, but this rubber is just way too soft. I mean, this thing slides around. My wife always complains about it sliding around. She hates that, and I hate it too. So this one I think is going to be a ton better, just because it's harder plastic, or harder rubber, and it sort of sits in its position much better than those original formats do. And I really do think this is going to make a big difference. I love how it overlaps the sill right there, and down in the back here as well, and on the sides. This is cool, because a lot of formats, they come out to right about there, and you know, you have this extra coverage, which is really cool. I love that. I'm super happy with this. All right, now taking a look at the floor mats in the rear of the truck. This is actually a fast forward clip at a different point in time. We're at a different spot now because we had some errors and problems with our files, so I had to re-record this. Taking a look at the rear floor mats here, the fitment is actually really good, just as good as it is in the front. It really sits nicely in here, super tight everywhere in the back and in the front. Have no complaints with these. The only thing that I would actually change or do with these formats differently, if I could redesign this from the ground up, and if I was the one that was producing them, is I would just extend this out a little bit further, and just to give it a little bit more coverage. Other than that, I like the fitment. They're really good material. They hold into place really nice. No complaints. I mean, it's simple, you know, nothing super complicated. They're just floor mats. I like them, and I definitely do recommend them. Hey, so guys, if you're interested in picking up a set of these floor mats for yourself, I will have a link in the description to the page of where you can actually purchase the floor mats. I will have a $20 off coupon code for you guys. That's also down in the description below. And do note that the coupon code will only work after the 1st of this next year. So January 1st of 2020, that's when the coupon code will actually be active and live for you guys to use. So if you guys do want to save 20 bucks and pick yourself up these awesome floor mats, go and do that. Link is down in the description.